Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about how to earn money with Metaverse. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. In this video, we will demonstrate how to make money in the Metaverse, and how beginners will be able to earn $100 to $700 per day after watching this video, despite having no prior experience. Prior to earning money from the Metaverse, however, you must first acquire land or property in the virtual world. Before we actually start earning money from Metaverse land, let's take a look at the quickest and most straightforward method of purchasing real estate in the Metaverse. In the coming years, the Metaverse may have an impact on how you earn money, shop, and even hang out with your friends. Using cryptocurrency to make money is changing the way people all over the world earn a living. For those interested in earning money in the Metaverse, here are a few suggestions. As a result of your interest in Metaverse, you intend to make an investment in Metaverse in order to profit from it, then you should be aware of how the Metaverse is related to NFT and cryptocurrency, which is my recommendation. The Metaverse is a virtual world accessible via the internet. Furthermore, it is a virtual space that you can visit and interact with. You can access it either through a screen, such as your computer, or by putting on a virtual reality headset, such as this one, and entering the experience directly in virtual reality. You can now do a plethora of different things in the Metaverse, such as attending a concert, attending a meeting, playing games with your friends, and doing an almost infinite number of other things. And it is, quite literally, a virtual space in which you can do almost anything you can imagine. What is the best way to make money in the Metaverse? Making money in the Metaverse is a simple process. Advertisement is the first strategy for making money from Metaverse real estate investments. As a result, the number one strategy, as well as one of the most obvious things in the Metaverse virtual space, is to be creative. The first thing you can do is purchase any land or property in the Metaverse. This is the most basic step. When you purchase a property, it is typically delivered in the form of a non-financial transaction (NFT). And Decentraland is the largest, or at least the most well-known, name in the world of buying land in the Metaverse, according to a recent survey. After that, you'll head to the marketplace. According to the research conducted by our team at AppLike, the cheapest land available will cost you 37.50 mana for a tiny little square. It is possible to place a banner advertisement for your company or any third-party company, and you can charge a lot of money for this service, as you can see in the above picture. You can include a play button for your YouTube channel on a large billboard, purchase real estate in a crowded area of the Metaverse, and use YouTube to promote yourself or someone else. Charging accordingly. Similar to the examples above, you can generate some revenue by promoting your social media handles, such as Instagram or TikTok, among others. We've compiled a list of 20+ methods for gaining 1,000+ Instagram followers organically, and without the need to follow anyone. You purchase real estate in the Metaverse with the hope of reselling it at a higher price. Purchase real estate in the Metaverse, and use it to promote your real-world business, and begin to make money in the real world. Alternatively, you could rent it out. You have the option of placing your own advertisements on it. You can use it to advertise for someone else's company, or you can use it to build your own home. A slew of different things can be accomplished with it. If you want to make money in the Metaverse, you have to go a little further. This is the most efficient and risk-free method of generating revenue from the Metaverse. In fact, purchasing Metaverse land does not necessitate the purchase or investment of a large sum of money. Allow yourself to delve a little deeper. As an example, consider the mana currency that is used in the Decentraland Metaverse. If you want to go to a different Metaverse called Sandbox, the token for that Metaverse is called Sand. If you want to go to Axie Infinity, the token for that Metaverse is called AXS. There are more than 50 Axie Infinity alternatives, and if you go to Illuvium, it is ILV. And if we go to CoinMarketCap, we can see that Decentraland is the most valuable cryptocurrency. And this is the token that is associated with that Metaverse, and it can be used to buy or sell anything in that universe. The price of Facebook has increased dramatically since the company made their announcement, rising from about 80 cents to a high of $5 at some point around $3.50. or maybe $4. Currently, the stock is trading at $2.77, but it's just completely insane. If you don't want to invest a large sum of money in purchasing real estate in the metaverse, you can instead purchase the token associated with that metaverse. The second alternative is to look up sand, which we will do right now, sand in the dictionary, as well as being able to see exactly what all of these different tokens are. As a result, the sandbox costs $2.55. And we can look up AXI Infinity, which is currently on the list of the most popular NFT tokens, and you can see the price of all of the different tokens associated with their metaverse at the time of writing this. And so, if you believe that the metaverse is about to explode, but you don't want to purchase property in that metaverse because it's too much of a hassle, you can do so very easily or affordably. Let's say that real estate is simply prohibitively expensive. You can purchase metaverse tokens and receive a similar return as long as the metaverse continues to perform well in the long run. And right here are 4 different options for you to consider. This would be very similar to the process of purchasing a stock. Instead, you're purchasing the coin or token associated with that metaverse, which can then be used to transact on that metaverse if you so choose to. A list of all of the different tokens that are associated with Metaverse can be found over the coin market capitalization or on a platform like this one as well. And this is a fantastic opportunity because, rather than picking and choosing which metaverse you believe will do well, if you invest into the index here, you actually get a broad assortment of almost all of them, which is, in my opinion, a fantastic option for making money in the metaverse. This is a convenient option, especially if you don't want to spend years' worth of savings. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.